Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you to all the new subscribers I've had in the past week. You guys are awesome. I got a few things in today from Temu. So we'll just start with this. This was like 12 bucks I think. 8 blue wax pads. Oh, you get 4. Okay, I thought you only got 3. They're awfully thin. Wait, you get 5. They're awfully thin, but that's okay. I really don't use much. A funnel, collapsible funnel. I like that. Finger grips, so you don't hurt your fingers. Get 4. Oh, clips. It would have been more apropos to give 4 instead of 2, but could always use them. A bunch of baggies for leftovers. 3. I actually don't like these, but I needed the other stuff. 3 blue ones. Ooh, I don't like purple, but you know, this is great if you need to do huge amount. Not quite sure if I'm going to use this, so I'll just leave that in there. Great for stocking up. This is another reason why I bought it. For the blue one. I have a white one, but I don't like white. This is to help straighten everything out. Another reason why I bought this was for this little sticky pad. So you don't accidentally, tip over your stuff. I don't like these. You get 5, 6. And they're all different. Wait, maybe. Nope. Do the same for this. 2 are the same for these. I think these are 8s, 3s. I think these are 5s or 6s. And this, I have no clue what this really is. That's nice. How do I open it? Ah. Okay. It's a bigger diamond painting pen. You just have to watch how you open it. Well, this is pretty cool. And what else? I got in a bunch of crystals. But they all say TM25. They all have different numbers on them. But they all basically say TM25. So I don't actually know what they mean. I'm doing a short of these so people can take an individual look. Finally got the color pack I wanted. As you well know, you guys know I do chakra inspired items. And last but not least, I ordered the dragon one, which had horns. This doesn't have horns on it, so I have to get my money back on this. I'm sorry about the noise. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell. Have a great day. Namaste.